Hey guys, this is the lesson for September 9th, 2020. Hey, today we're going to be talking about goals, some school goals, reading goals in particular because this is a reading class, language arts class. Okay, so I just want to go over a couple of things. This is on page 24 and 25 of your book. Um, okay, and as you can see, we have my reading goals. Okay, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time because there's a fair amount that I need you guys to fill out today. Okay, so tips for achieving your goals: keep a growth mindset. Your reading can and will improve with effort. Try something new. Apply the strategies you've learned. Okay, number three, remember the big picture. How will being a better reader help you in school and in life? I know sometimes it's easy to get frustrated. Sometimes we feel like we aren't the reader that we want to be, or the mathematician that we want to be, things like that. But it's easy to get frustrated and kind of forget about the big picture. So number three, remember the big picture. Number four, learn from your mistakes. We're all going to make mistakes, every one of us. It's what you do with them that counts. Okay, we think about people that we've studied so far. You know, those three individuals: Michael Jordan, Sonia Sotomayor, J.K. Rowling. They definitely learned from their weaknesses. Okay, number five, you got to track your progress. Success comes step by step. Make sure that you're tracking what you're doing to make progress. Along with that, so number six is ask for help. Your teacher and classmates can help you stay on track. Okay, I think it's always important when I set a goal to tell somebody what my goal is, because when I tell them what my goal is, I definitely feel like I am accountable to them now, not just myself. When we're just accountable to ourselves, it's easy for us to kind of to push it by the wayside and forget about our goals for a little bit. But when you tell somebody and you tell them what you're hoping to accomplish, for some reason that gives us some extra push. Okay, goal number one down below here. So you're supposed to write two reading goals, then use the tips above to create action steps for achieving your goals. Goal number one, reading goal I hope to achieve this year is blank. Okay, goal number two, another reading goal I hope to achieve this year is blank. Okay, so do you hope to read so many words? Do you hope to increase your reading level? All that good stuff. Okay, those are all examples. Okay, maybe you have a book that you really want to read, or a book you really want to finish. Maybe it's a whole series you want to finish. Okay, action step. When I work with my teacher and classmates, I will what? What will you do to help you achieve your goal? Okay, when I work on the student application, I will what? Okay, that's within the Read 180 app. What will you do during the student application? Will you stay focused? Will you stay locked in? Or will you let your mind wander? Okay, during independent reading, I will what? Okay, will you read books that will push you? Will you find books that you are interested in enough to make sure that you are practicing? Okay, just like anything, you have to practice what you're doing. Okay. Um, next page over. This is page 25. Read 180 and beyond. What action steps will you take to achieve your goals in school and in your personal life this year? So a school goal, one goal I hope to achieve in school this year is blank. Okay. A life goal, one goal I hope to achieve in my life outside of school this year is blank. Okay. What would the target date be to reach that goal? Probably the end of school year, right? Okay, to reach this goal, these are going to be your action steps. I want you to come up with them. Okay, to reach this goal, action steps right there. Okay, why are these goals important to me? Okay, the big picture. You know, we have to know the why. Why are we doing what we're doing? Okay, so I just want to take a little bit of time today. This is a short video, but I need you guys to set your goals. Uh, this is page 24 and 25, and make sure you take a picture and turn those in, okay, guys? Um, Goals are critical, okay? If we don't set goals, we're just kind of going day to day without any drive, okay? Um, Okay, hope you guys are awesome. Uh, Hope you are doing well. Make sure that you do 15 minutes of the reading app or the student application, and also 15 minutes of the independent reading. Okay. Have a good day, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.